Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to continue with my TEMU series and I'm going to be using this one today. Now this is a really pretty texture mat. It's got lots of different patterns on it and flowers. I just love these. Now I'm going to try and get my hands on some more of these because I really love them. But today this is what I'm going to use and I'm going to cover a jar. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So this is the show and tell part where I talk about what I liked, what I didn't like, and basically how you can do better. Okay, so here it is. Firstly, I'm going to go all the way round so you can catch all of the details. I love the way I've done all the colours, I've got to admit. I said in one of my previous videos that I'm all in for this coral sort of colour at the moment, which is why I did this orange to pink. I just absolutely love it. I think it looks really nice. And then I've done the blues to the turquoise, again, really love that. And I've kind of kept it that sort of theme. Now, most art pieces, I don't use these two colours in the same thing, but this has turned out really, really nice. So I'm just going to bring it in so you can get a really good look at all the detail. Now, this texture mat is absolutely amazing. And yes, go buy it. Go buy it right now. I absolutely love this. It's really good in depth. It prints the design really easily without much fuss. And as you can see, it catches a lot of the detail without any kind of problems. Look at that. I'm going to bring this really close in. So when I do these sort of things, I like to be able to have a texture so I can put sort of a gold or silver kind of like touch to it. And that has done perfectly for this one. So I'll bring it round again close enough so you can see the orange one. This is really nice. Now, what has made this really special is the soft chalks. I absolutely love soft chalks. You can blend them. You can make them really, really wild, if you like. You can make them really dark, really soft. Like I said, you can blend really, really well and get some really fantastic colours. So I'm going to take you close in on this one. Goes to dark and then slightly lighter into green into turquoise. I absolutely love that look, and this is one of my favourite things. Now, what isn't my favourite is these balls keep falling off. Now, this isn't anything to do with the actual texture mat, obviously. This is down to me, and I haven't glued some of these in, clearly. So during filming, there has been a few that have fell off, but it hasn't mattered, to be honest with you. Balls don't generally stick to the glass particularly well. You have to just make sure that once you take, if you're going to do it just like this, you take it out of the oven, let it cool, and then take glue to it. Now, I did take some glue to this, but clearly not enough, but there we go. I'm just going to show you nice and close again with all of the other decorations. Like I said, all of the balls there. Now, it's these coloured ones that have come off, the turquoise ones, but as you can see, it hasn't really mattered too much. Now, let's talk about this top one here. I have got this fantastic kind of depth here in with this one. It just looks really, really nice. And it's originally black, but I mixed in some kind of purple or something like that to give it a matte look, so the clay wasn't shiny to start off with. And then on top of that, I wanted the bits that just stuck up to be covered in polymer clay, but it didn't work out that way, so I just covered the whole lot, and it worked out really nicely. So it's such a deep looking pattern, and yeah, I love these ones. They are really, really good. But more than anything, look at the whole thing all together. It's just so different, and I have made stuff like this before, but not with bright colours. I've done sort of golds or silvers and kept it sort of fairly monotone, but this is just like crazy brightness. So yeah, I do recommend this texture mat. It is absolutely fantastic. You can find the link to the texture mat in my first video that I did, all of the things that I was going to use in the videos, so you'll be able to find that link there. And to be honest, that just saves me having to copy paste it all over to this video. You'll find it in the first video. They are all linked there. Now, I think the actual texture mat, I think it was about £5, and that is a real guess. But it wasn't expensive, so I'm going to buy some more of these. Particularly like the wooden rollers, I'm going to buy loads more of them as well, and these I'm going to invest in. In each video, I'm going to tell you what I do recommend and what I'm not so sure about. But yeah, this one, 100%. So this is how you create a really fancy pot with a texture mat from TEMU. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching the tutorial. What a dead bug on my ring. Oh, well, it's dead now anyway. Thanks for watching the So I absolutely love the colours of this. It is so pretty. Now, of course, as you well know from the tutorial, there's a ball that's just dropped off. Oh, my balls keep dropping off. Oh my God, I am sweating. Now, how many of these balls did I lose? Did you hear many? there was quite a few, weren't there? I've got 4 on the desk as well. Oh well, never mind. See you later, bye.